Day 43, the real you. As women, we have a tendency to cover who we really are by wearing masks or covering to not show the world the true authentic self. It is easy to hide between the mask of societal norms and try to fit in with the shifts of the culture. So I encourage you is reveal yourself. The world is waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Your community is waiting for you. You have greatness within you, but you're hiding behind that mask. So the real you, the authentic you, is ready to conquer the world, because the real you is the true God-purposed you, and God is waiting for you. Flaws and all, the real you.